Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Twyman, the heart attack prevention expert and the biohacking cardiologist. Today we're going to be talking about sleep. Sleep is one of the legs in my four-legged stool of optimal health, and possibly the most important of the legs. Without optimal sleep, putting in good foods and doing exercise probably isn't going to be all that useful. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, so you can put in premium fuel, but if your engines don't work well, it doesn't make the car go very good. And then if you're exercising and bringing down your muscles and you need to repair your muscles, if you don't sleep, you don't get to actually do that. And if you don't work on your stress, you probably don't sleep well. So sleep is a complicated subject, and we'll probably have multiple videos on this, but today I mostly want to focus on things that can help promote optimal sleep. Number one is your light environment, and number two is the temperature. So you already know me as the biohacking cardiologist, and you've probably seen me wear these glasses routinely. These are kind of my day glasses, so if I'm inside in front of computers or artificial light, this is what I'm wearing. But in the evening time, I'll frequently switch them out to a darker tinted lens. These will block all the blue light as well as green light. This helps promote your melatonin levels to be optimal, and typically if you wear these things, you're going to be asleep within an hour. So light is extremely important to regulate your circadian rhythms. So in the morning time, I'd recommend seeing the morning sunrise. I haven't missed a sunrise in all of 2019. Typically you want at least 5-10 minutes of that morning sun. That color spectrum of light entering your eye without glasses or contacts helps reset your circadian rhythm for the day and make your hormones appropriately. And that helps you actually prepare for you getting to go to bed later that night. When you're inside, if you're under artificial light or sitting in front of a technology screen, you want to be protecting your eyes with some type of blue blocking lens. Definitely not this dark during the day, it'll make you too tired. But in the evening time, with an hour or so before going to bed, give it a shot if you like. After kind of controlling your light environment, you want to work on your temperature. So ideal body temperature, I should say the ideal room temperature should actually be about 68 degrees or below. Colder temperatures promote sleep. Some people have issues with real cold hands or feet. It is okay to wear socks or gloves to bed if you have to kind of warm those up, so it kind of keeps your core temperature cooler and lets you go to sleep. For the advanced class, which I'll talk about in a future episode, is you can get a chili pad. It's a mattress topper that has silicone tubes in it and can run cold water through your bed, and you can dial it down to even 55 degrees if you can tolerate that. So 2 top tips: control your light environment, control your temperature at night, and we'll see how your sleep goes. If you have any issues with your sleep, you should talk to your provider about that. You can send me a direct message. Any comments, drop them below. And if you'd like to see more topics about sleep or anything else about biohacking, let me know. And as always, take care.